Hello everyone. The organ that you are using to listen and comprehend my speech is your brain. The brain is the most complex organ in your body, and there are many things that we still don't understand. For instance, what would it be like to use 100% of your brain all the time? Take a second to think just how powerful this organ truly is. It controls every aspect of your body, from the way that you move to the way that you think and feel. I have always found the human brain to be extremely fascinating. I would like to help you grow another wrinkle in your brain with some interesting facts that I have recently come across. On average, a human brain weighs 3 pounds. Einstein's brain only weighed 2.71 pounds. When thinking of the brain, you usually assume that the bigger the brain, the smarter the human. But in actuality, the size doesn't matter. There's no evidence that supports the size of the brain plays a part in how smart someone is. According to Piedmont Healthcare, the brain contains 100 billion neurons, which makes this organ the most complex organ in your body. Now that we have discussed the gory details of the brain, let's take a deeper look. Discussed on Helpline, the brain can feel pain. It does, however, interpret pain. It just can't physically feel pain like your limbs and other organs. In some cases, such as chronic regional pain syndrome patients, they feel pain constantly. As I read on the International Neuromodulation Society, they have stated that the spinal cord stimulation was used first in 1967 to send waves to the brain, telling it that pain is not actually existent in order to ease the pain that the patients feel in the affected limbs every day. The brain has many qualities other than dealing with pain, such as your dreams and memory. When at rest, your brain dreams and wanders to many mythical places. Imagination, psychological factors, and neurological factors as a combination create your dreams. This provides that while you're sleeping, your brain continues to do the work it was created for. When you create a memory or learn something new, you create a connection in the brain. This is called brain plasticity. There was a joint study by Harvard University, Dartmouth College, and University of Aberdeen in Scotland discovered that task-unrelated thoughts are almost always active when you are resting your brain. Therefore, it is normal for your brain to wander. Please don't wander too far. I would love to inform you of one more fact about the brain that may help many of you in the future. The New England Journal of Medicine published a study that explains when adults participate in mind-challenging activities, they are 63% less likely to develop dementia. Some activities that may challenge your mind include crossword puzzles, word searches, Sudoku, and even chess. The more frequently you challenge your brain, the more active your brain becomes. Speaking of an active brain, every time your heart beats, the brain receives 20 to 25% of your blood from your arteries. The more active you are, the more blood and oxygen your brain will receive. The brain may seem small, but it is mighty. It makes us who we are, stores tons of memory and information, and allows our body to function properly. Although this brain is small, there are many factors that scientists and neurologists do not have knowledge of. These are a few of interesting facts about the brain that I have found fascinating and couldn't wait to inform each and every one of you. Thank you for your time and attention.